Cobilco RK116 is the yellow from Adfield Corporation. Roof thinner crane track. Right around there is the roof thinner crane track. Right around there is the yellow. Good time there is the yellow. Number 20 Adfield Corporation. Year 1996. Right from there is the crane track. Right from there is the good day. Right problem. Right good day is the yellow Cobilco. No problem there is the yellow Cobilco. Right from there is the yellow Cobilco. Right from there is the crane track. Crane track, roof thinner crane track. It's the yellow. Right from there, good time. Good day. Right from there is the good day. Right the problem. Good time. It's the yellow from to Adfield Corporation. It's the crane track. It's no from there, good time. It's the yellow Cobilco. Roof thinner crane track Adfield Corporation. Is the crane track LYNX. Right from there is the good time. 60 tons. Right from there is the yellow Cobilco. Right from there is the good day. Is the crane track Adfield Corporation. Is the good time. Is the good day. Right from there is the yellow Cobilco. No problem. There is the crane track Adfield Corporation. Number 20. Alright, from there is the crane track. Cobilco is the crane. Right from there, and 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and go.